In this video, we listed the 7 best roof essentials for cosplay on Amazon that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Product 1. Product name: Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating. The Liquid Rubber RV Roof Coating is a versatile, solar reflective sealant designed specifically for RV, trailer, and camper roof repairs. This product provides a waterproof barrier that protects roofs from leaks and environmental damage, making it an essential item for those maintaining mobile living spaces. The coating comes in a brilliant white color, enhancing its solar reflective properties, which helps reduce heat buildup and keeps interiors cooler. It is easy to apply, offering a hassle-free solution for DIYers and professionals alike. 1 gallon of this coating is sufficient to cover a large area, creating a seamless, durable surface that resists the elements. This sealant is ideal for protecting roof membranes, extending their lifespan, and ensuring long-term waterproofing. The product aligns well with other household and outdoor tools and accessories the user is interested in, such as portable tiny homes and outdoor structures, offering similar durability and weather protection. Product 2. Product name: Universal Solar Pool Heater Panel. The Universal Solar Pool Heater Panel is a highly efficient and eco-friendly solution for heating pool water using solar energy. Designed for long-term performance, this solar heater panel typically has a lifespan of 15 to 20 years, making it a reliable investment for pool owners. Its universal design allows for easy compatibility with various pool systems, enabling seamless replacement or installation. Featuring a high-performance design, the solar panel maximizes heat absorption from sunlight, effectively warming the pool water and extending the swimming season without the need for conventional energy sources. This solar heating system is ideal for those seeking a sustainable and cost-effective solution to maintaining a comfortable pool temperature, particularly in regions with abundant sunlight. Key features include: long lifespan. The durable build ensures a service life of up to 20 years, making it a dependable option for pool heating. Universal compatibility. Easy to integrate with existing pool setups, the panel can be used as a replacement or part of a new system. Product 3. Product name: Eden Oscillating Sprinkler. The Eden 96213 Lawn and Garden Essential Oscillating Sprinkler is designed to efficiently water your yard or garden, covering areas up to 3,600 square feet. Its oscillating motion ensures even water distribution, making it ideal for both small and large lawns. This sprinkler features a heavyweight base that adds stability, preventing it from tipping or shifting during use. With adjustable settings, it offers flexibility in water patterns, catering to various lawn sizes and shapes. The Eden 96213 is part of Eden's lineup of durable and user-friendly gardening tools, perfect for maintaining a lush and healthy lawn. Product 4. Product name: Hunan and Guan Removable Roof Vents. The Honorable and Guan 6-inch removable roof vents are designed to provide efficient ventilation for residential systems, particularly for roof-mounted applications such as dry vents. Made from galvanized steel, these vents offer durability and resistance to harsh weather conditions, ensuring a long-lasting solution for roof exhaust needs. The 6-inch exhaust vent is equipped with a damper that helps prevent backflow of air and ensures proper airflow management. Key features of the Hunan and Guan roof vent include: removable design, allows for easy cleaning and maintenance. Weather-resistant construction. The galvanized steel body resists rust and corrosion, making it suitable for outdoor use in various climates. Built-in damper, ensures that air can escape efficiently while preventing unwanted backdrafts, protecting the indoor environment. Black finish, adds a sleek aesthetic to match roofing materials. Product 5. Product name: InBright Eternity Permanent Outdoor Lights. The InBright Eternity Permanent Outdoor Lights offer a versatile lighting solution designed for both daily use and special occasions. This model features a 100-foot strand with 72 RGB LEDs that allow for a vast range of lighting options, from everyday white tones to vibrant accent colors. The lights are smart-enabled, making them compatible with Alexa and Google Home for convenient voice control. These permanent EVE lights are ideal for homes, patios, and outdoor spaces, as they are IP67 waterproof, ensuring durability in various weather conditions. The system provides endless light color customization, perfect for creating festive or relaxing atmospheres year-round. Key features: 100-foot strand with 72 LEDs for wide coverage. RGBWUFF technology for endless light color options. Smart home integration with Alexa and Google Home. IP67 waterproof rating for long-lasting outdoor use. Product 6. Product name: Furion RV Roof Air Conditioner. The Furion FACR 15 Hacer, PS, AM Chilhi RV Roof Air Conditioner is a powerful cooling solution designed for recreational vehicles, RVs, delivering 15,000 BTU of cooling capacity. It is particularly suited for larger RVs or situations where strong air conditioning performance is needed. The unit comes in a white finish and is engineered to be energy efficient while maintaining optimal cooling performance. The Chilhi model incorporates advanced features such as dual fan technology for improved airflow and quieter operation, making it a popular choice for RV enthusiasts who prioritize comfort and low noise levels during travel or camping. Key features of the Furion RV Roof Air Conditioner include 15 kBTU cooling power, ensures rapid and effective cooling even in hot conditions. Energy efficiency, designed to maximize cooling while minimizing energy consumption, a critical factor for RVs running on limited power sources. Dual fan technology, enhances airflow, reduces noise, and promotes a more even distribution of cool air throughout the RV. Product 7. Product name: WUFF Blue 10-foot Patio Offset Umbrella. The WUFF Blue 10-foot Patio Offset Umbrella is designed for outdoor spaces, offering shade and style for patios, gardens, and other open areas. It features a cantilever design, allowing the umbrella to hang freely without the need for a central pole, maximizing usable space underneath. The crank mechanism makes it easy to open and close, while the cross base provides stability. This umbrella is ideal for outdoor lounging, dining, or gatherings, complementing other outdoor setups like gazebos or prefabricated tiny homes, as mentioned in previous contexts such as the Purple Leaf 12-foot by 14-foot patio hardtop gazebo. Its versatility makes it a great addition for creating shaded comfort in a variety of settings.